Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get Windows 11 for unsupported PC. First, you have to go to your browser and search Windows 11 download and click the first link and you'll go to a page like this and you want to install the Windows installation media. This is, and install that. I already have installed it, so I don't need to install it again. I will close this, and when you go here, download, you can open your Windows and it will show the download as Windows Creation Tool Windows 11 EXL, and just give yes and it will come as getting few things ready. Or it will come as first to come in Windows logo and then preparing, and my one didn't do it, but always everything is the same, whatever, and you need to accept a capable notice and license terms, and it will getting few things ready, and you don't need to pass the stage where your computer will show it is unsupported, because it is the installation media. But if this is ticked, untick that, and I was saying, but when you turn off your PC and turn it on it again, and when it restarts, it will not appear. And give next, and here will show you the USB drive you have plugged in, and give next to that, and it will process, download Windows 11 and verify download, and it will process to create installation media. And when it closes, if there will be a message, your media drive is finished, or your PC will be restarted. And when you restart the PC, just plug off the USB drive. And however, then go to the file explorer here and this PC, and the drive will show the same name, but the picture will be changed, and just click that, and to make this PC unsupported, go to sources, and there will be a file named like this, and it ended with cat, and you have to delete the file below it. Okay, I have already deleted that, so I don't want, and I can't delete it again. I will go back then and click right in the setup, run it as administrator, give yes, and it will come as Windows and preparing. It will come faster in your computer or like this. However, it is all the same. When it is completed, just change how to set up downloads and updates. Click that It is located in the left corner top below install Windows 11 and select not at the right moment, and if this is unticked, you can untick tick this I want to help make the installation better. Press the set mode and give next, and we successfully passed the stage where they make our PC unsupported. And you need to accept this again. And of course you need to keep your PC free. That means it should have more than 8 GB free in the local disk. And you can select what to keep here. And when you change something, when you give next, it will load again. But you don't want to accept that capable nuts. And it will show like this again. And you need to give install to install. Hi guys, if you like this video, just hit the blue like button down below. If you like my channel, you can hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching.